Good morning dear students and parents. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am Anju and welcome you all in online teaching program by RD Group of Schools. Okay, block 3 is going on as you all know. So today we are going to start block 3 LP 4 and the resources for this class, as I told you in previous class also, letter cards, notebook and workbook. Letter cards, these are given in your workbook at the first page and at the end page also these are given. And what will be the agenda for today's class? Questioning. First I will ask some questions, then we will move on the activity, then we will do discussion and then worksheet and then homework. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is making words with SM and ST. Making words with SM and ST. As in the previous classes also, in first block, in third lesson plan, we made words with the letter cards and blends also we have done. In block 2, lesson plan 2, we have used the blends and then we have made the words. Today again we are going to make words with the help of these letters. Which are the letters? SM and ST. So we will use the letter cards for making the words of SM and ST. And what is our aim today? To apply phonic rules to make words with SM and ST sounds. And the keywords are letters, words, small, stool, steam. Okay. What is our aim? To apply phonic rules to make words with SM and ST sounds. Okay, I think so all have understood this thing, that we are going to make words with the letters, with the help of these letters SM and ST. So what is the meaning of this phonic rule? What is the meaning of this phonic? Phonic means the sounds of the letters, and words. So we are going to make words by learning the sounds of letters and words. So this is the meaning of phonic. So our aim is that we are going to make words with SM and ST letters. हम SM और ST letters का use करेंगे to apply phonic rules. Phonic rules means साउंड का यूज करते हुए, जो साउंड के जो रूल है उनको यूज करते हुए हम इन लेटर्स से वर्ड्स बनाएंगे. सो व्हाट इज द एक्शन? नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू वन एक्टिविटी. व्हाट विल वी डू इन एक्टिविटी? वी विल मेक वर्ड्स Yes, what will we do in the activity? We will make words with letter cards by using phonic rules. We are going to take only these letter cards: A, E, M, L, L, M, S, S, T. So we are going to take these letter cards and we will make words with the help of these letter cards. Before going to start the activity, you must be aware with the sound of these letters. Sound, if you are familiar with the sound of these letters, only then you will be able to make the words by using phonic rules. For example, the sound of A, E, A. The sound of E, A. M. What is the sound of M? L, L, M, S. What is the sound of S letter? S. What is the sound of T? Today we will play a game. And before going to start the game, you have to listen the instructions very carefully. I will say a word and then you will make the words with the letter cards. Okay. When you will make the words with the letter card, you will pronounce the word by stretching the sound of the word. Like if I have written like M, A, T. So how will you pronounce this word? Mad. 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 Means you will stretch the sound of this word. लंबा करके बोलेंगे आप इस साउंड को, so that you can learn about the phonic rules and you can learn about the sound of the letters and these, there's SM and st. And first we are going to make words with the letters, and then you will use that word in a sentence. Then you will make a sentence by using that word only. And first you will going to make 3 letters word, and then you will make 4 letter words, after then 5. After making the word, you will use those words in sentences like this. I have written mat. Mat. The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. Yes, we have made first 2 letter words, then 3 letters. Then we will use 3 letters. Mat. And you will make these words by using your letter cards. You will make the same words by using your letter cards, as I am writing on the board. At, set, cell, stem, steam, small, smell, stole, stoles. You will make these words by using your letter cards, and you can make more words as you can make. Okay, all have made these words, and you must have to use these words in sentences also. These are the letter cards. By using these letter cards, we will make words. Okay, first word is at. Yes, what is this? At. Speak up the word with me. Pronounce it. At. At. Okay, now make one more word by adding one letter in front of this word. Mat. Mat. Yes, mat. And by using these letters, I have made one more word. It is mat. Now what will you do? You will make sentences also, as I have told you on the board also, like the cat sat on the mat. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Now make one more word by changing the first letter. Sat. What is it? Sat. Now I'm going to change the middle letter. What is it? Sat. Yes, speak up the word with me. Sat. Sat. Now again make one more. I am changing the T letter with L. L. Double L. Cell. 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 Now again we are making one more. Now I'm adding this M after S. Now what is it? Smell. Smell. Pronounce the word smell. Yes. Now again you can make one more. Yes, I have changed this vowel. What is it now? Now what is it? It is small. Again I am going to one more. Yes. S-T-A-double-L. What is it? Stool. What is it? Stole. Yes. What is this? Steam. Steam. What is this? Steam. One more word you can make. Stem. Yes, stem. How many letters are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And before this we have made one stole. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 letters I have used. Now make one more. Here I have used 6 letters. What is it? Stoles. Yes, this is how we will do the activity. Now my next question is, can anybody make bigger word than stoles by using all 8 letter cards? The word should be bigger than this stoles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I have used 6 letter cards. So now you have to make one more longest word. So what would be the answer? By using all these letter cards, can you make a word? That word must be longest than these. Yes? Yes, friends, please pause the video and let them use all the letter cards to make a longest word. Okay. Right. What would be the answer for this? Smallest. SMLLEST. Here I have used all 8 letter cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here all 8 letter cards are used. So this is the longest word. Yes, students, can anybody make more words by using all these 8 letter cards? Yes, try to make more words. Yes, student, now it is time for analysis. Now we are going to ask some questions which are based on the activity only. Okay, have you enjoyed the activity? Yes, it was an interesting activity now. Yes, I also have enjoyed a lot. My first question is, how did you make mat, the word mat, from at, and sat from mat, and cell from sat, and so on? Means, how did you make these words? Means, first word was at, and then you make mat. How did you make that word? Yes, think about it. Yes, right. We make mat by adding m at the beginning of at. Means, what was the first word? At. And what do we want to make? Mat. So what was my question? How did we make mat from at? So what will we do? We have added m at the front of this at, and we got the word mat. And how did we make the word sat by mat? Now we are going to change m with s. Now it is sat. Yes. And how did we change the cell? And how did we make cell from set? What was the next word? Set. Now we want to make cell. What did we do in it? We have changed T with double L, and we got the word cell. This how we have made the words by changing the letters. Okay, students, what happens when we change the letters? What happens when we change the letters? Yes, think about it. We have changed the letters. Then what happened with these words? Yes, right. When we have changed the letters, the word is also changed. Like I have changed T with double L, then I got the word cell. So, when we are going to change the letter, the word also changed and the meaning of the word automatically changed. Yes, student, my next question is, which words begin with the same sound as the word stand? Means, which word begin with the same sound as the word stand? Stand. What is the beginning sound of this word? Just think about it. What is the beginning sound of this word? Stand. Yes, right. ST. ST. This is the beginning sound. So, can you make more words with the same sound? Just think about it. Yes, friends, please pause the video and let them think about the answer, and do not tell the answer. Let them think on their own, and so that they can respond. Right. We can make many words with the same sound as in stand, like student, stairs, star, study. Yes, these all words are having the same sound, na? Like study, student, star, stairs, stupid. Yes, these all words are having the same sound because these all words are starting with ST, the same sound. So we can make many more words by using the same sound. Okay student, now again I have same question, like which words begin with the same sound as the verb. Here I have written stand. Now the word smell. With this sound we will use this sound smell, SM. By using the SM sound, can you make more words? Yes, right, we can make many words by using the SM sound, like small. Smell is given here. Smoke. These words are like small, smoke, smoke. All are using, all are starting with the same sound, the SM sound. Yes. So these are having the same sound and we can make many more words by using the SM sound. So what is this SM and ST? As we did in the previous class also, one more, that blends. So this SM and ST, SM and ST, what are these? These are blends, and by using these blends we can make more words, many words we can make by using these blends. When we are mixing two letters together, it is called blends. Yes student, now it is time for the higher order thinking question. Okay, be ready for the question. Listen to me very carefully. If students, what was the question? If you have to write the word smart, which word can help you to spell it? Yes, right. The SM. We have used here SM sound. By using this sound SM, we have made this spelling, like, and we can make more spellings also na, as we have written earlier also, like small, smoke, smile. So this how we can make more words by using SM sound. So which words help us? The SM blend. The SM blend help us to make the word smart. Yes student, my next question is, what sound you hear in the word swim, swam, swipe, swept? Yes, think about this. What sound do you hear in the words swim, swam, swept? Yes student, my next question is, what sound you hear in the beginning of swim, swam and swipe? Yes, think about this. What sound you hear in the beginning of the word swim, swam, swipe? Right. What is the beginning sound? SW, SW, SW. So, can you make more words with this sound? Yes, we can make many words by using these words. Yes, students. Which words help us to make this sound? Yes, S and W. S and W make this sound. And this is one more blend. Okay, can you make more words by using these words, these blends? Yes, we can make, like sweet, sweat, and more words we can make by using the SW blend. Yes student, now it is time for the application part. What will you do? You will do your worksheet S4 and it is given on page number 24. And keep this thing in mind that you have to complete your worksheet within 10 minutes. Yes students, now open your workbook, page number 24, S4, making words with SM and ST. What is given in first question? Use ST or SM to complete the words. Here two tables are given in two boxes. Blanks are given and in the center of these boxes ST or SM blends are given. By using these blends you will fill these blanks. Like in first box, first is smart is given and then blank ORY. For example, what will you fill here, ST or SM? If you will fill here SM, then what will be the word? Smory. Have you listened this word? No. So ST, what will be the word then? Story. Yes, right. For this, how you will fill all these words, all these blanks, and you will find your answers. Now on question number 2. Fill in the table with two new words that begin with ST, SM and SW. You will fill this table by using ST, SM and SW words. For example, SW. Can you make word with SW? Yes, right. Like swim, swan, swimming, ST, star, SM, smell, like this. Okay. Now on question number 3. Make one sentence each with words that begin with the letter ST and SM. Here you will make sentences by using these blend words. ST and SM means the words should be used by the words which will be made by using this blend ST and SM. For example, if star, the word is star, then I can make one sentence by using this word star. There are many stars in the sky. This is how you will make 4 sentences by using ST and SM words. Yes, now it is time for the homework. What will you do in homework? Pick a story. You will take any of the story. You can take the story from your content book and any of the story book also, and look for the words beginning with ST and SM and write them in 2 groups. Say all the words aloud. What will you do? You will take any of the story, you will read that story and you will find the words. Those are starting with ST and SM sound, and you will sort out those words into 2 groups. Like ST words you will write this side and SM word you will write this side. From the story you will find these words. Yes student, at last it is time for the summarization part. Okay, what have we learned today? Can anyone tell? Yes, we learned to make words by using the phonic rules. We learned to make words by using phonic rules. And which letters we have used? Right, we have used SM and ST sounds. Yes. Yes, we have learned how to make words by using SM and ST sounds. And we have used their sounds also, like these are SM and ST, these are blends. What will be the sound of this word? Small, small. Star, star. So we learned about the sound of these letters and how to make more words by using these blends. Okay student, now be ready for the next class also, and our next class will be a grammar class. And what will be the resources for this class? Yes, one pencil, one notebook, ruler, the scale you know, glue stick, if you have glue stick, tape, paper clip and one index card. You need all these things for the next class. So these are the resources for the next class. So be ready for the next class also. Thanks. Have a nice day.